In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change currency on Binance. You can simply change to any preferred currency on your Binance account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Binance. On this page, tap on your profile icon right here. Then scroll down onto the Settings option. On the Settings page, head into the Currency option right here. You will have to select the type of currency to use on your Binance account. Then just get back to the Settings page and select this other option of Payment Currency. And still choose your payment currency of your own choice. The selected type of currency will get updated successfully. That's how easy it is to change currency on your Binance wallet. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.